Hello everyone. As the virtual classes are starting from tomorrow, so I'm here today to tell you how to be the part of those virtual classes. So if your child is in class 5A or class 5B, you just have to open this folder, that is link sharing 5A and 5B. You will open this folder and all the links shared by English, Hindi, Maths, Science and Social Studies teachers will appear in this folder. So suppose I want to take a class tomorrow. So this is my class link. The day is mentioned, that is Monday, tomorrow, 6th of July 2020 at 10 a.m. There are some instructions also written by me. Hello students, let's get ready for the mathematics class with a smile. I hope you all will smile. And don't forget to keep maths notebook and pen on your study table. So, in the same way, all the teachers, Jyoti ma'am has shared her link of science, Krishna ma'am has shared her link of social science, and suppose you have a class tomorrow of Hindi of Sapna ma'am. So what you have to do, this is the link. You just have to open it. Again, it is showing that your class is on 6th of July at 9 a.m. and it will end at 9:40 a.m. So I will just have to hit this button, that is join button, and I will be the part of Hindi virtual class tomorrow at 9 a.m. In the same way, if your child is in class 3rd, so this folder you have to open link sharing team 3rd A and 3rd B. You will open this folder. Again, all the teachers of English, Hindi, Math, Science and Social Studies will share her links here. So suppose I have a class tomorrow. This is my virtual link and this is some instructions. Deepshika ma'am has a class tomorrow. So English class meeting is mentioned at 10 a.m. by Miss Deepshika, Monday 6th of July at 10 a.m. So if I want to be the part of her class tomorrow at 10 a.m., I will just click here. It is showing at 10 a.m. and it is ending at 10:40 a.m. Children, just make sure that if your class is starting at 10 a.m., please join the class by 9:55 a.m. only, so that we have to take the attendance also. Now, how to join it? Just hit this button, join, and you will be the part of English virtual class tomorrow. So let us meet you all tomorrow with a smiley face. Thank you so much. Have a great day.